there in this box.
Are those for you?
I wonder. Oh, I like this. These are for me.
Do you like it?
Yeah. What's this? Oh, it's a pack of dinosaurs. And a lion.
What is it?
It's a raccoon from Cartoon Network.
Oh.
Look. I don't have a raccoon.
I think it's got lights. Shake it. Shake it. Look, look. Oh.
I used to have these.
Open another one. Open another one.
But I didn't have a light up one. It's another pet shop.
Let me see it. What is it?
Pet shop.
Pet shop?
Yeah.
Hey, you like that ball, huh?
Yeah. Let's see what this is.
What is it?
It's a girl with a pet
It's a pet shop.
shop.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Being a good listener, right?
Yeah.
Take that one. No, let's open another one. Leave that one. You take that one.
What's the big one for?
What is it?
A horse and another horse.
Let's see. Oh, this is cool, huh?
Yeah. Circus truck.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
I open another one.
Guess what? I have some. When I woke up this morning, Mommy, I saw a sock in her on a table of her mirror, and guess what? There was toys in it. And then we went in the living room. Cartoon Network again.
Oh, did you like that one?
Yeah.
What's his name?
This is, I don't remember his name.
Alright, open another one. New paper.
Let me see it is. Uh,
Can you see your face? I love you.
Hot Wheels. See? Hot Wheels.
Let's see. Hot Wheels, huh?
Yep.
You like them? What is that?
Cat.
Oh, pet shop. You like it?
Yeah.
What's that?
I don't know what it is.
What is it?
It's a shop.
Pet shop?
Yeah.
You like the pet shop, huh? Let's see. Oh, that's the cutest. Cutest pets ever. Whatever that means. Oh! What is it?
Monster.
It's
Car monster.
It's a big pen.
You can.
Hand me the paper, please.
Sticking to my jammies.
What is that? What is that? Oh! What is it?
Watch.
You like it?
Yeah, so I don't need one. I only have one.
Remember I told you that Santa was gonna get you a watch?
Yeah. Remember that? It's a zebra.
A zebra. You wanted a whole zoo, huh?
Now I have one.
Yeah, that's another one. Oh no. That's it, I think.
This is where I got the Barbie and Ken. Now I have one at my mom's and dad.
Barbie and Ken from Toy Story.
Yep.
That is so cool.
And it looks like just like my other one. The other one. Now guess what this one is? It's
What?
for Hot Wheels to go in.
Really?
Now let's open this one. I don't know what this is. What? I'm looking at it. That's what it is. Car.
For Barbie and Ken.
Barbie Ken.
So I say thank you,
Thank you.
Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
Love you.
Love you.